TroLase foil sheets feature adhesive as standard. To prevent the material warping, masking tape can be used to adhere the material to the working bed. Trotec's TroMask is ideal for this. To create sticker sheets, kiss cutting should be used. This can be achieved with a low power, high speed cut. Make sure to change the cut color and assign to cut speed. This is software dependent. Using the same powered cut for all elements results in cutting through the adhesive layer. Due to how fine foils are, low processing power should be used to avoid warping the material. A successful kiss cut allows the stickers to be effortlessly removed from the sheet, while the right settings prevent burn marks on the reverse side of the sheet. For perfect adhesion to woods, metals and many more materials.